I'm Heather Hanson, and I am the president of BioMedSA. And BioMedSA is a nonprofit with a mission to grow the healthcare and bioscience sector in San Antonio, Texas. San Antonio is the seventh largest city in the United States, and the largest economic sector in the city is healthcare and bioscience. So there's a great research foundation in San Antonio that accounts for this, including the largest military health complex in the US, academic researchers, and we have very strong nonprofit researchers as well. One example of those is BioBridge Global. They can handle from donor to tested manufactured product. Texas is growing in a huge way in the bioscience space and in biotech as well, and San Antonio is a big part of that. There's a lot going on, and we are here to, at the Bio Conference, to tell people about San Antonio and really roll out the red carpet when they want to come to San Antonio. We connect them to all sorts of different resources, whether that's researchers or who could do their assay or lab space, whatever they need. We're here to help them get there.